Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. This is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, man, we have been in a major uptrend. Now we have had a couple of JPY interventions over the last couple of weeks, which has caused a pretty significant move down. I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, especially looking at correlated yen pairs. I definitely think we're in a wave 3, which means that if this does turn down, then most likely it's going to have to make a wave 4, which would potentially last maybe 6 months to a year. Then we're probably going to have to make another uptrend for a wave 5. So I still think we are a long ways out before we actually see the end of this trend, which would look like this on the monthly time frame, probably more than a year. So heading down to the weekly time frame, we may possibly have the top of this wave 3. I think that this right here is the major 1 and the major 2 that I was showing you on the monthly time frame, and then this is subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I definitely do see 5 waves of 3. The only problem is I really don't see any breaker structure to the downside. I don't see any engulfing move to the downside. There's really not much proof that this wave 3 is actually over. And if it is actually over, then it will probably make a crescent around the same size in the time scale as the wave 2. And that wave 2 right there was about 260 days, so it means this wave 4 potentially would last around 260 days also before we actually went up and made a big wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty impulsive move down. It is obviously a start of a move down, whether it's a wave 4 or whether it's just another subdivision crescent to the uptrend is another story that we definitely do not know. If it goes down and starts breaking structure to the downside, then yeah, that might prove that the wave 3 is over. But as of now, we still don't really see that there's any proof that wave 3 is over. I think this is at least going to make some sort of a crescent to the uptrend like that, or possibly it just keeps on going down, starting to break structure, which would help prove that this wave 3 really is over on the weekly and monthly time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I think we should be looking for sorts. I was kind of suspecting that this could stretch out into like either a WXY, which would be 3 waves down, 3 waves up, because it does look like 3 waves down. So there's a chance that this now will make 3 waves up and then 5 waves down, which would be a flat, or it's going to be 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down for a WXY. Either way, I think for now we should probably be looking for sorts. I do suspect that there is a chance that this could actually make a 3-way pattern up, maybe even take out this high before we do go down again. So definitely be careful looking for sorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, the reason why I think it might go up is because we definitely do have 3 waves down. I think this move up could be a trend and this move down could be a crescent to that trend, and we could possibly get a 3-wave pattern to the upside, like another A, a B, and a C. So we'd have 3 waves down, which would either be A or W, 3 waves up, which would either be B or X, and then if it's a wave Y, then it would make 3 waves down again. If it's a flat pattern, which would be an ABC flat, then it would make 5 waves down. So either way, I would definitely be a little cautious. I think there's a good chance that we're going to turn into either a WXY or a flat pattern, which would actually lead to 3 waves up next. So either way, definitely be careful on sorting the yen pairs. So anyways, definitely check out my Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.